Next day, the journey continued to Baramulla, where the main event, the Kargil Rajat Jayanti Mahotsav, was held. As part of the commemoration, the Chinar Corps commander flagged in the 101 bike rally at the revered General Bipin Rawat Stadium. Sample how the army mingles with the general populace and is touching their everyday lives. During the ceremony, students from the Army Goodwill schools were awarded for their outstanding performances across Baramulla, recognizing their achievements and nurturing their talents. The event also witnessed the participation of Veer Naris and Veer Matas, the wives and mothers of brave soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice for the nation.
कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा परमवीर चक्र को ऑनर करने के लिए उनके साथियों ने जो मोटरसाइकिल रैली का यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया, उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ उनका आगे का जो सफ़र है कारगिल तक, वो भी उतना ही अच्छा होगा जितना कि उनका यहाँ तक का सफ़र रहा है.
From Baramulla, it was time to hit the road again, moving towards the Kaman Aman Setu, but not before a mandatory stop at the Dagger Division War Memorial. Here, the 101 riders paid their respects and tributes to all the heroes of Indian Armed Forces who made the ultimate sacrifice for the nation. Adjacent to the war memorial stands a temple, where a sense of peace and tranquility reigned supreme. The riders took a moment to soak in the serenity of the surroundings, a stark contrast to the battlefields they were commemorating.
In 1863, historian W.G. Kavi visited this place, and he was told that this temple was constructed by some Bondat, who was a descendant of Pandavas, and thus the name of the place, Bonyar. And in the late 1800s, Dogra ruler Ranjit Singh was responsible for excavation of this temple, which took 9 long years. Since long, this temple has been part of the army garrison. Our religious teacher facilitates the devotees and their darshans.
As they crisscrossed the winding roads next to River Jhelum leading to the Kaman Aman Setu, Vishal Batra, the twin brother of the legendary captain Vikram Batra, couldn't hold back his emotions.
The love, the affection, the bond, the care I get from Colonel Boparai and all the fellow officers from the 101 is phenomenal. While Vikram की कमी हमेशा खलती है मुझे, but जब मैं किसी को मिलता हूँ तो उन सब ऑफिसर्स में विक्रम को देखता हूँ.
Just as the riders neared the Kaman Aman Setu, a poignant moment unfolded. Children in their colorful attire welcomed them with Indian flags in their hands, a gesture that symbolized the hope and future that the soldiers had fought to protect. The riders spent time with the armed forces members stationed at the Kaman Aman Setu, a bridge that earlier served as a crucial link between India and Pakistan, facilitating the movement of people and goods across the line of control. The bravery of the Indian soldiers during Kargil War, fought in the treacherous terrains and unforgiving conditions, has etched itself into the history of Indian military. And this ride serves as a powerful reminder of the valor and resilience of Indian armed forces. Jai Hind!